Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error the user profile service failed the sign-in or user profile cannot be loaded. So, let's get started. First, click OK on the error message. This will take you back to the login screen. Here, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding the Shift key, click the power button and select Restart. Keep holding the Shift key until the system restarts in advanced mode. Once in advanced mode, you can release the Shift key. In this mode, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and look for System Restore. This option allows you to restore your system to a previous date. Click on it and select your username. Enter your password, and if you have a restore point saved, you'll see the option to restore your system to an earlier date, potentially resolving the sign-in issue. If you don't have a restore point, or if System Restore doesn't solve the problem, the final option is to reset your operating system. Go back to Troubleshoot and select Reset this PC. Here, you'll see two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. Choose Keep My Files to retain your personal data while resetting the system. Then, select Local Reinstall to proceed. This process will reinstall Windows, restoring it to its default settings. Your personal files and data in other partitions will remain safe, so you won't experience any data loss. However, note that it will remove all applications and programs installed on your system. After choosing Reset, the process will take about 30 minutes, and it should fully resolve the sign-in error. That's all for this video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.